Hey everyone, welcome back to Rich Vault. If you're here, it's because you're sick of hearing the same recycled, work from home tips that don't work. You're tired of people telling you to sell Canva templates that no one wants. You don't want to write an ebook with AI that no one will buy. And you sure don't want to spend thousands on ads for some Shopify store that's going to fail. You want something real. Something you can start from home, with zero or little money. Something you can grow to $5,000, even $10,000 a month, without lying to yourself about how easy it is. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how I'd do it if I had to start from absolute zero in 2025. Not a side hustle for pocket change, but a real path to building freedom. If you're ready for real talk, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want no BS strategies that actually work. Let's do this. What if you could make money by being the bridge between AI and real people? Listen. AI isn't going away. It's taking over the world. But here's the truth. Most small businesses don't have time to figure it out. They don't want to learn ChatGPT prompts. They don't want to learn Mid-Journey. They want results. If I had $0, I'd become an AI concierge. I wouldn't pretend I'm an AI genius. I'd just get good at using AI better than them. I'd offer businesses this promise: I'll use AI to save you 10 hours a week. I'll plan, write and polish your social media posts using AI, but so they sound human. I'll design graphics with AI tools, customized for you. I'll set up your customer service chatbot from my bedroom with free tools. And I'd charge them $300 to $500 a month. Because for them, that's nothing if it means they don't have to do it. I'd DM local businesses. I'd post in Facebook groups. I'd show them a free sample post. I'd prove I'm not selling AI spam, I'm selling time and results. And once I had 5 or 10 paying clients, I'd hire someone else to do the easy parts. I'd build templates. I'd raise my prices. This is real. This is scalable. This is something you can do right now if you're willing to learn for free on YouTube and offer something valuable. If you're broke, make yourself unignorable by saving other people time. That's always worth paying for. Why sell a $5 logo when you can sell a $5,000 transformation? Here's something no one talks about. Small businesses don't want a new logo. They want to look professional. They want to stop being embarrassed about their brand. But they don't know where to start. They don't want to deal with 10 freelancers. If I had $0 and a laptop, I'd build a remote brand makeover studio. Here's what I'd sell: a new logo, branded social media templates, business cards and flyers, a clean, modern Google business profile, even updated menus if it's a restaurant. One single package. I'd price it at $500, $1,000, even $2,000. Here's the truth. I wouldn't even do all the work myself. I'd use Canva for the basics. I'd hire freelancers on Fiverr to do specialty tasks. I'd just make sure the client only deals with me. They don't want cheap. They want easy. They want one person who gets it done. How would I get clients? I'd DM local businesses with terrible branding. I'd show them a quick free mock-up or audit. Checkmark. I'd tell them, your current brand is costing you customers. Let me fix it for you. They will pay. Because they know it's true. And once you get good, you can sell monthly packages for managing their social media forever. This isn't a hustle. This is a real business you can run from your bedroom. If you're still with me, and you want real, grown-up ways to build income from home in 2025, hit like. Subscribe to Rich Vault. I'm here to help you build wealth, not just side cash. Want to sell what AI can't replace? Sell personal. I can spit out generic plans for anything. But people don't want generic. They want personalized. They want someone to say, this is for you. That's what you sell. From home. Meal plans customized for their diet. fitness routines for their schedule, travel itineraries tailored to their style, checkmark study plans for their kids, meditation scripts for their needs. You use AI to do the draft in 5 minutes. You tweak it so it feels personal. You deliver it as a beautiful PDF. Or even a voice note if you want to stand out. Charge $20, $50, even $100. Then sell subscriptions, weekly updated plans, monthly check-ins. If you get 100 people paying you $50 per month, that's $5,000 per month. From home. On your schedule. People want to feel special. I alone can't do that. But you can. Stop selling one-off products. Start building money that comes in every month. Here's how you get real freedom working from home. Build a paid micro-community. People want real help. They want connection. They want advice that's specific to them. You don't need a giant audience. You just need the right people. Start a free group on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. Help 100 people for free. Offer value. Build trust. Then launch a premium tier, $5 to $20 per month. Private Q&As. Exclusive content. Weekly live chats. This isn't spam. This is real community. Ideas. Freelancers sharing local job leads. Parents supporting each other. Small business owners learning marketing. Language exchange groups. Income math? Checkmark 200 members at $10 per month equals $2,000 per month. 500 members at $20 per month equals $10,000 per month. And the cost? Basically $0. Just your time, your phone, your honesty. People pay for trust. People pay for real communities. You don't need a website. You don't need ads. You just need to care and deliver. Look. Anyone can tell you to spam Fiverr gigs or sell an AI ebook no one will read. But if you want real, scalable, work-from-home income in 2025, you need to stop looking for easy money. You need to build something people actually want. Checkmark save them time. Make them look better. Personalize what they need. Bring them together in a community. That's what people pay for. That's how you go from $0 to $10,000 a month. Not overnight. But real. Predictable. Freedom. If you want more no BS, honest, and practical strategies that work anywhere in the world, hit that like button. Subscribe to Rich Vault. And drop a comment telling me which of these you're starting today. Because watching is good. But doing is how you get rich. This is Rich Vault. Let's make it happen.